Hi, to add new apps to home screen on your OnePlus Nord 3, you will need to simply press and hold any free space on the home page, but do not touch the widgets. So now you can see this edit mode. Now on the bottom of the screen, just swipe left and go in the More tab, and now we can customize the settings for the home screen and for the lock screen. So as for now, we are interested right in the first tab, home screen mode. And now we can see this feature, add apps to home screen. So newly downloaded apps will be added to the home screen. If you would like to enable it, just tap on this switcher. After that, you can also enable to show app suggestions or disable it, and here you can switch from the drawer mode to standard mode, and it will look like that. But I prefer drawer mode because it is including the add apps to home screen feature. So now let's select this blue button in use, and now all of your recently downloaded applications will appear right in your home page. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.